How do we assess human-environment interaction in geography? Imagine walking through a city park and noticing how the trees are planted along the streets or how the river has shaped the town's layout. These everyday sights show us how humans and nature connect. But how do we actually measure and understand these relationships? That's what we're exploring today. Assessing human-environment interaction in geography involves looking at how people influence their surroundings and how the environment, in turn, affects human lives. It starts with understanding that humans adapt to, modify, and depend on nature. For example, farmers choose where to plant crops based on soil and water availability, while cities expand into natural areas, changing landscapes. One way geographers assess these interactions is through spatial analysis. They use maps and geographic information systems, or GIS, to see where human activities like building roads or cutting down forests happen. These tools help visualize how urban areas grow or how deforestation impacts nearby wildlife. Another method is field observations and surveys. Teachers might take students outside to observe local parks, rivers, or farms. Students can record what they see, like how land is used or what natural features are present. This hands-on approach helps students connect classroom lessons to real-world places. Case studies are also useful. For example, students could study how a city manages its water supply or how farmers use land sustainably. These specific examples show how human choices directly affect ecosystems and resources. Interactive learning tools make understanding human-environment interaction fun and engaging. Students can participate in role-playing activities where they act as city planners or environmental decision-makers. Digital simulations can show what happens when a city expands or a forest is cut down, making the consequences clear. Data integration is another key part. Combining stories from local residents with satellite images or statistics gives a full picture of how humans and nature influence each other. For example, students might analyze how a community's waste management affects local water quality. In the classroom, making geography relatable helps students see the importance of these concepts. Teachers can encourage students to investigate how their own community manages water or recycles waste. This personal connection makes learning meaningful. As students progress, they can explore more detailed topics like environmental policies or sustainability practices. This helps build their understanding of how human actions can protect or harm the environment. Overall, assessing human-environment interaction involves using different methods to see how society and nature shape each other. It's about encouraging curiosity and active learning so students can understand and solve real-world problems.